Well, it was hot today, but the humidity in most cases was still a little bit lower, so it didn't feel as hot. But the humidity on the rise tonight and as we go through the next couple of days. But it is still a very warm day, 98 McAllen. But, you know, a lot of days you look at this map at this time and it's still over 100 there. But it is 102 in Rio Grande City, 91 in Harlingen, down to 89 in Port Isabel. The humidity is kind of increasing from east to west, and we'll be getting a little more humid over the weekend. If you look at the map here, this is the map of dew points. The humidity is already back with dew points in the 70s, mid-70s in the lower valley, so it pretty much feels like the usual summer air there now. But humidity still lower the farther west you go and feels a little more comfortable in Rio Grande City. Even with that temperature over 100, it's not as humid feeling as most days. So the feels like temperature, the heat index, you see generally in the upper 90s of about 100. We're not seeing those heat indices up around like 110, 115 like we see sometimes lately. So it's, you know, it's the little things that make a difference. I'm trying to put a good spin on the start of the weekend. You know, a heat index of 100, it's better than 115. But this evening, temperatures go from the 90s into the 80s. Mainly clear skies around. We'll still watch some showers and storms offshore. Maybe late tonight, 1 or 2 showers may drift inland over Cameron and Wolsey counties as moisture increases. But tomorrow, the rain chances come up to at least about 30%. I think it's still a hot day in Starr County, up around 100 degrees or hotter. But later in the afternoon there, maybe a shower or storm could pop up. And in the early to mid-afternoon in Hidalgo and Wolsey and Cameron counties, as temperatures heat back into the 90s, the sea breeze could come in and some tropical moisture for a couple showers or storms. But this isn't one of these days when we're expecting widespread rain or a lot of people to get rain. It's just, you know, there's moisture coming in, the air heats up, clouds build up, and then you get some showers and storms here and there in spots, but you know, not like a big wave of rain coming in. Things pretty dry right now. You see a little blip on the radar or two out in the Gulf, and we look at that when we zoom out more. Nothing tropical oriented, but this is kind of an upper level disturbance coming. If you kind of draw a line about right here up and down in the middle of the screen, it's kind of centered there and then drifting its way west. So if you kind of picture this area of some clouds and scattered showers coming this way, it may not be quite as active tomorrow, but that's what's coming our way. Again, you look at this too, there's not rain everywhere and not heavy rain everywhere, but just little areas of showers. Some weak thunderstorms pop up and that could move inland for Saturday and Sunday. So Future Track doesn't go crazy with the rain, but it has about the right idea, keeping it mainly dry tonight, maybe 1 or 2 showers near the coast or in the lower valley late tonight. And then during the day tomorrow, this might be a little underdone, but as we heat up, a couple showers or a weak thunderstorm could form with the sea breeze, although overall the moisture content of the air probably gets highest on Sunday. So Saturday maybe a couple showers or a storm here and there, but as the disturbance moves inland on Sunday, you see it generates a few more numerous showers and a couple storms here and there. But again, a situation where not everyone's going to get rain, but just watch the sky each day to see if the clouds could build up and maybe a shower or storm comes your way over the weekend. So the first 1570 forecast, highs generally in the upper 90s tomorrow. It might be cooled a little bit. I think we may be a little cloudier on Sunday. So if we're lucky, we'll stay a few degrees cooler on Sunday with about a 30% chance for rain tomorrow, about 40% on Sunday, back down to about 30% Monday, and then it kind of drops back to very isolated sea breeze type showers after that with hotter temperatures next week. So probably your best chances of rain centered around Sunday during the daytime, and then things kind of get drier and hotter with very limited rain later next week. But we'll keep watching this. Also have a look at the tropics next half hour, see if anything's happening there coming up in a few minutes. Oscar?